Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Anshika Verma, and in this video we will solve my second question of my first internal paper, which says describe specific methods or technology that facilitate this process. Given the following complaint, describe the approach, algorithm or process for identifying applicable IPC or BNS category section. So the complaint says theft of my mobile phone is by an unknown person at MG Road on 2023 220. The phone was stolen when I was shopping at a store. The thief was wearing a black jacket and had a scar on his face. तो इस कंप्लेंट को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हमें एक एल्गोरिदम करनी है यूज़ करनी है यहाँ पर डेटा साइंस में. So, to facilitate the process of identifying the applicable IPC or BNS section for the given complaint, we can employ the following method or technology. So, the method one is natural language processing and text classification, in which the steps are text processing, in which it processes the complaint text by removing stop words, punctuation, and converting all text to lowercase. Tokenization, in which it breaks down the text into individual words or tokens. Third is named entity recognition NER, which identify and extract the relevant entity such as local, which is MG Road, date, this is this, and the description of the thief, which is black jacket, scar on the face. The next steps can be text classification, which use a machine learning algorithm which can be naive by support vector machines to classify the complaint text into a relevant category. IPS or BNS section identification is map the classified category to the corresponding IPS or BNS section. For example, IPS section 379 for punishment for theft. So the next method is rule-based approach, in which first we define the rule, in which we create a set of predefined rule based on IPC or BNS section. For example, if the complaint mentions theft and unknown person, the IPC section 379 is applicable. If the complaint mentions robbery and use of force, then IPC section 390 is applicable. Then the complaint analysis step is there for analyze the complaint text or to identify relevant keyword and phrases, and then rule matching, which match the complaint analysis with the predefined rule to identify the applicable IPS or BNS section. And the third method is machine learning based approach, in which the steps are training data, in which we collect a large data set of complaint with labeled IPC or BNS section. The next step is feature extraction, in which we extract a relevant feature from the complaint text. And the next step is model training, in which we train a machine learning model on the labeled dataset to predict the applicable IPC or BNS section. And the fourth step is model deployment, in which we deploy the trained model to classify new complaint and identify the applicable IPC or BNS section. So in the given complaint, the applicable IPC section would be 379, and which is for punishment for theft. As it mentioned, the theft of a mobile phone is by unknown person. The BNS section would be broad national category section 4, theft. The algorithm or process for identifying the applicable IPC or BNS section would involve a combination of natural language processing, text classification, and rule-based approaches to analyze the complaint text and map it to the relevant section. So this is the answer for my second question of internal 1. And that's it for the video. Meet you in my next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep exploring. Bye bye.